Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engre, senior lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In today's topic, business communication using computer, in it we will discuss PowerPoint presentation. So, means in our last assignment, we already discussed what are the points we have to use for preparing presentation. Means what guideline for preparing presentation, we discuss everything. So, in today's assignment or in today's topic, we will discuss how to prepare good presentation. So, designing the PowerPoint presentation by using technical topic. Means for preparing presentation, we are selecting any technical topic and prepare the presentation. For presentation, the presentation is significance of this presentation. The presentation skill play the crucial role in one career of development. In an engineer profession has to deliver the presentation for various reasons throughout his career and different formal situation using informal information and technology also. PowerPoint presentation allows to present, use image, audio and video to have the greater visual impact also. These visual audio video clue also help the presenter to more flexible, dynamic and interactive with audience focus. This practical experience has been designed to enhance the skill to communicate effectively and skillfully at workplace. Relevance program outcomes. The basic knowledge. Apply knowledge of the basic mathematics, science, basic engineering and solve the problem related to application of computer using communication and service restoring, manipulating, transmitting data, often context of business also. The individual and teamwork. Function effectively as a leader and a team member in a diverse and multidisciplinary team. Communicate effectively in oral as well as written format. Relevance course outcome or learning outcomes. Communicate effectively using the non-verbal method of communication. Give the presentation using the audio visual aids. Then practical learning outcomes. Deliver the formal presentation at various formal situations. Presentation skill using the computer system including language lab laboratories or language lab software. Develop listening, speaking, reading, writing skill also. Relevant effective domains. Follow the safety practices. Demonstrate working as a leader and individual as a team member. Minimum theoretical background. The knowledge of the sentence structure, sentence construction vocabulary is required for making PPT to deliver an effective presentation. A presenter should be well versed with the etiquettes, ethics, codes, conduct and guideline of formal situations or presentations. Experimental setup, language lab with the relevant software and open learning sources also. Procedure, log in your account, read, understand the instruction for practical manual, assignment, document and design the understanding with your facilitator. Plan the content, keyword of each slide. Okay. Use Microsoft PowerPoint tool to design slide. Follow all the technical specifications. Design the slide in a logical development of content. Finalize the presentation in consultation with the facilitator. Print and submit the assignment. Okay. These are the procedure we follow for preparing presentation. Following precautions for while preparing presentation. Okay. Follow the safety guidelines using language lab software or language laboratory. Handle headphone carefully. Do not insert a pen drive anywhere in the laboratory. Importance of public speaking. The students, now we will learn how to prepare the presentation. So we select the topic speech writing. So using speech writing, we will presenting the information using presentation. So let us see how to prepare presentation. So the first slide we will make by using the related content of speech writing. So here we start or begin with importance of public speaking. Make speech on different occasions. Speeches play an important role in pursuing the promotion and promoting different types of speeches. Opportunities of influence of people. Public speaking help the development of personality. In the first slide, we make a content of importance of public speaking. Maybe here we select one topic, importance of public speaking, and in it we add 5 points related that content. Means when preparing presentation, those are the main point. First of all, write down, and only short but sweet points we have to mention there. Then number 2, characteristics of good speech. In first slide we make present importance of speech. Now here the characteristics of good speech means proper format of speech, then focus on topic, conciseness of content, positive attitude and speech etiquettes. These are the sub points or characteristics we require for preparing any kinds of speech or while speech writing. These points are important. It is a second slide number second, in it we insert the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, sorry, the types of speeches: welcome speech, farewell speech, introduction speech and vote of thanks. We have 4 types of speeches in our syllabus. Okay, so number 1, welcome speech. How to prepare the welcome speech? To start any special event or occasion, we want welcome speech. By using welcome speech, we start any kinds of occasion or content. Requiring the formal opening. Any kinds of formal opening, we want welcoming the guest or welcome speech. To welcome an individual or a group. To welcoming any one person or a guest or a group of people. Means these are the point we add in welcome speech. Next, tips for welcome speech. How to prepare the welcome speech? Here are some tips. You welcome the speech should be about 5 minutes or long. Include the following important information in your speech. A greeting to the member of an organization, any honorary person present there, and a new addition of your organization. Sometimes the people joining you that you are addressing in a welcome speech will be few individual you can point out by the name. If you have to point out the name of few or selected people there. When you welcome a specific group, you mention their name or some background information about why you have to come together on that day. You will have to take the place and greeting are over. Meanwhile, here are some tips for preparing presentations, okay, or welcome speech. While preparing presentation or welcome speech, here are some tips are there. So we discuss these speeches also. Another side we also prepare. Now let us see the example on speech writing. So in first slide we discuss the point one by one, how to prepare presentation. Now here we discuss welcome speech. A student coordinator draft a welcome speech for the paper presentation competition organized by your department. Good morning one and all. I take an opportunity to welcome Mr. Sandeep Kumar, the director of Expert Academy, for today's event. He has an expertise in delivering lectures on presentation personality development. He is also associated with the well-known companies. As an immense pleasure to welcome our principal Mrs. R.B. Patil for today's function. I also welcome the dignitaries on the dais of the dais, media representative and my dear friends, colleagues, etc. Today we have gathered here for paper presentation competition arranged for first year student by Praveen Patil Polytechnic Diploma, Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhinder. Once again I welcome all of you for this function. Thank you. So students, in this way we prepare a presentation. Okay. Those first of all we select the information, data or content, then collecting such related information from various kind of sources, then arrange it in a proper sequence, put in a prepared presentation for presenting. We select the proper slide, designing it and properly mentioning the point. For today's topic, we select the speech writing. So first of all, we select the what is speech writing, then importance of speech writing, then characteristics of speech writing, then procedure of preparing speech. Okay. In this way, these are the important point we put in a one by one slide proper sequence, and finally we see the example. In this way you have to select any topic. You have to select any topic for presentation and presenting your information, data or any kinds of knowledge with the group of people. So I hope Means during your engineering life you have to select any kinds of information, any kinds of data. Okay, either it is related to your subject or other. Okay, means any technical content you have to selecting and preparing or presenting the topic by proper presentation skill. So student, I hope you understood the topic very well. Thank you very much.